Good morning, class. See, I have already taught you the surface area of cube, cuboid, and cylinders. So now let's discuss volume of cuboid, and cylinder. So surface area is basically the area covered by a 3D shape. So the total area covered by a 3D shape is the surface area of 3D shape. Now the volume is the capacity of holding items or the capacity to hold something in that shape is called the volume of that particular shape. The space covered by that shape, the space covered by the shape is this is the space. If you open the pencil box, you can see the space covered by it, the capacity of holding something into it. We can fill sand, we can fill with pen, pencil, as I have done, we can fill water inside. So, the capacity of holding something, or the space covered by that particular shape is called volume of a 3D shape. So, as we know, basic difference between a two-dimensional shape and three-dimensional shape is two-dimensional shape is in the axis in a plane, that is x-axis and y-axis, but three-dimensional shape is with three planes, x, y, and z. You must have seen x-axis and y-axis. This vertical, if you draw on graph paper, this vertical line is y axis, this horizontal line is x axis, and there is another. So this is what you can say, x axis, y axis, and there is another axis called z axis, that is the height. I can't draw height on a paper, right? I can't draw it. Paper can only show one plane, that is x axis and y axis. We can only draw 2D shapes on a paper, but can we show height? क्या मैं डेप्थ या हाइट दिखा सकती हूँ? सपोज कैन आई ड्रॉ दिस पेंसिल बॉक्स का जो ये हाइट है, इस पेंसिल बॉक्स का जो ये डेप्थ या हाइट है, क्या मैं ये पेपर पे शो कर सकती हूँ? नो. सो आई एम शोइंग दिस z axis like this, which is actually like this, right? Which is actually like this, the height. X axis, y axis, and the height, that is the third axis, z axis, which I can't show on a paper, so I am drawing it like this. Now if I draw a rectangle, right, I am drawing a rectangle, you can see here. So the length here is denoted on x axis, the breadth here is denoted on y axis, and if I have to show, if I have to show the height, this height, then I have to draw z axis, right? Is that clear? So this is the basic difference between a 2D shape and a three-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shape uses only x-axis and y-axis, a plane where height is not required, and a three-dimensional shape will require a height also to represent, which is the z-axis. Now volume. The capacity of holding in a particular shape is known as volume. Volume is surface area of the base and multiplied by height of a particular shape. So suppose I take an example of a cuboid, a cuboid. So cuboid ka base, see on page number 188, you can see the base of the cuboid, that is length into breadth into height, length into breadth, the base of the cuboid makes the surface area of the base. Length into breadth, surface area of the base into height is the volume occupied by the cuboid. Is that clear? The volume occupied by the cuboid. So here you can see this cuboid is made of 36 cubes of equal size. This cuboid is made of 36. So what is the matrix here? The grid 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 12 cubes here, 3 cubes here. So 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Right? 12 into 3 into 1 is equal to 36. Now, so the volume of this cuboid, 12 units length, 3 units breadth and 1 unit of height. 12 into 3 into 1 equals to 36 units. So it is occupying how many cubes? If you count, actually it is occupying 36 cubes in this. So the holding capacity of this cuboid is 36 cubes. So the volume of this cuboid is 36. How many? See, length into breadth into height. That is the formula of volume of a cuboid, and it is holding 36 cubes of equal size. So that is the volume of this cuboid. Similarly, the cube. Another cuboid. 6 into 3 into 2. So how much will it be? Length is 6. Breadth is 3. Height is 2. So 6 into 3 into 2 is equal to how much? Can we calculate it here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do one thing. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is how much? 18. So इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे 18. Then 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 into 6. 12. Here 3 into 2. 6. Right? Can you count how much will it be? Class is the video. Okay. So like I was telling you that length into breadth into height, that is 6 into 3 into 2 is 36. Again, if you see here, length into breadth into height, 9 into 1 into 4, 36. Length into breadth into height, 6 into 6 into 1 is again equal to 36. So all the cuboids, if you see, are of different measurements, but they are holding 36 cubes of equal size. Now what is the holding capacity? If you see, it is the this plane, you can see this plane or this plane. Similarly इसके पीछे वाला प्लेन जो होगा, इधर वाला फेस एंड इधर वाला फेस, दिस फेस, ये जो सामने जो फेस दिख रहा है, पीछे वाला फेस, साइड फेस एंड इधर वाला साइड फेस. That gives you the holding capacity of this particular shape. So for example, if I say this pencil box, so the holding capacity can be calculated by, इसका कितना है, this side, this side and this side. We will not consider the top and the bottom face, only this face, this side face, both, idhar ka face. So now in this example you can see this face has 12 cubes, this face has 6 cubes. So 12 plus 12, idhar wala face aur piche wala face, 12 plus 12, 24. 6 plus 6, another 12, 24 plus 12, 36. So it has holding capacity of 36 equal cubes. Not the top, we will not consider the top face and bottom face. So basically this front face, back face and these two side faces के जितने क्यूब्स है उनको अगर हम ऐड करें, that gives you the holding capacity of the cuboid or of that particular shape. And the formula for calculating volume of a cuboid is going to be length into breadth into height. So basically that is base का area into height will give you the volume of the cuboid. Similarly, if we are going to calculate volume of a cube, since cube all the sides are of equal size, so length into breadth into height, they are all L. So L cube, volume of a cube is L cube. We'll do these, try these questions. I'll solve it in on paper and show you. Last is cylinder. So cylinder may be area of the base, that is pi r square. Radius is r. So pi r square is the area of the base multiplied by height. So pi r square into height is equal to pi r square into height, pi r square h. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height, LBH. And volume of a cube is length into breadth into height is equal to L cube. Remember that volume is always measured in cubic units. Remember, volume is calculated in cubic units and surface area is always calculated in square units. Why? Because surface area has only two axes. We are considering the area. We are not, calculating the capacity or the space held by the shape. So that is in square unit. We are considering only plane, x-axis and y-axis. In volume, we are considering height as well. कि ये कितना volume cover कर रहा है, ये कितना volume cover कर रहा है. So in that we are considering length, breadth and height. So that is considered that is calculated in cubic meter, which will be denoted like this. Thank you, students.